Hi Pixelers! Grab your pencils and paper because today we're going to draw the chess knight. For this drawing, we'll need a black colored pencil. This drawing is 19 squares tall and 13 squares wide. Let's begin. Skip 5 squares from left to right. In the 6th square, mark 2 vertically, bottom left 2 vertically, bottom right 1, from this square, bottom left 1, bottom left 3 vertically, from this square, right 3 horizontally, on this line, count 2 from left to right, then mark 1 below. From this square, top right 3 diagonally. Bottom right 3 vertically. Bottom left 2 diagonally. From this square, bottom left 1, bottom left 2 vertically, bottom right 2 vertically, from this square, right 2 horizontally, bottom right 2 horizontally, bottom right 1, bottom right 5 vertically, bottom left 2 diagonally, bottom right 2 vertically, from this square, right 6 horizontally, from this square, bottom left 2 diagonally, bottom left 3 vertically, from this square, bottom right 2 diagonally, bottom right 3 vertically, from this square, right 11 horizontally, From this square, write 9 horizontally. Now, let's color in all the squares we marked. I want to invite you to subscribe and activate the notification bell so you can automatically become part of the Pixeler Club. And here's our drawing for today. If you like it, don't forget to support the video with a super pixelated like. Thank you so much, Pixelers, for being here in another video. I'm sending you a big hug full of love from my pixelated heart. I'm Paito, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye!